Y'all come on with us. We have a couple of errands to run. Come spend the day and let's get into it.
No, player. Let's talk about that phone mount first. You have to find the perfect spot for.
This is our nice little doohickey phone holder. It sticks anywhere. Let's see if I put it the right way. Oh yeah, it sticks anywhere. Look.
2 hours later.
Man, it took baby girl forever to find a spot for this thing.
Our first stop is Best Buy. I needed to return a phone case. And then our next stop was Home Depot.
Which was like literally across the street. But people acting all goofy and don't want you to get in. Like, dumb, bruh.
Nope, I'm gonna get behind this car first.
Find a minute to Home Depot for those red parking sticks. Look, if y'all ever out there in McDonough, big shout out to Big Mama Ashley. She's so sweet. We encountered some funny acting ones, but some other ones, man, helped us in everything we needed. Then we bumped into this rose garden. We just had.
No, I'm sorry. Ooh, she smell good. Right.
Y'all, I don't know who mama this is, but she is lovely. So we finally got our reflective sticks, and it's on to the next one.
Okay, so now we're headed to Costco, and we're hoping that we're going to beat the rain.
Oh, no.
And now we're looking for those hidden treasures in Costco.
Big people be sleeping on Costco's, yeah. But look, before we check out, let's go on and grab these. Oh, wait. Hold up. That's cookies. Big, let's stop right here and get some of that sparkling water.
I'm not a fan of sparkling water at all. And that's what it tastes like.
You know, I do like my little sparkling water. Now, I like my flavored water, but man, what is this?
Then we had to rush home because we had a car meet with our brand. So we needed to get there.
Oh, we got there too, you heard me? But as soon as we got there, man, I had to jump on the machine, started making some shirts for our members and for our family. And I had to pack the drones up, put the 360 camera on Megan, and get there. Don't you just love the way Megan sound? So, no time to waste. I threw the drones up in the air and got some aerial shots.
It was a pretty decent turnout.
Yeah, I think it was like their second event at this little area. But yeah, it was a pretty decent turnout. So a bunch of car clubs, Night Shift was there. Lexus Boys was there. Shout out to my boy White Wolf Trey. And definitely MotionSick. We definitely represented our club there. Now, of course, the night would not be done if somebody didn't challenge another person in the foot race.
All right, so this is a foot race. Loser gets a banner. It's $20 from the losers. Or $20. My name is Danny. I'm in MotionSick. Once I win, I'm gonna do a $10 MotionSick and then a $10 strictly. So I'm gonna get a double whammy. You know? Yeah.
All right, okay. So, and sir, you are. We got Brando right here. You know, MotionSick, of course. When I get my banner, maybe a 20 for one of them. We're gonna buy a new car, take the wife on vacation. We're doing Disney World. We're Disney World.
Hey,
sir.
I got money on Brandon.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
wow.
Sir, who are you?
He's biased. That's family.
Sir,
He's
who are
biased.
you?
Huh?
Who are you?
I'm the man that's making the banner. He's biased. He's biased.
So you're Don King.
This is ludicrous. I don't think they're going to be able to do it. Me personally, I think Slim is going to get Danny, but I don't know.
I specifically said, y'all be careful. Make sure nobody falls down.
And Slim takes him. What happened?
All right, I had no grip. I got no grip.
He got them on.
He didn't have his stabilization on.
My traction control's out.
Guys, it's over.
And our last final stop, of course, is the gym. We still trying to keep it together, still trying to make sure we stay healthy. And that's it, guys.